A very good morning, student. Jai Gurudev. Welcome to our online class. Today we will discuss Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equation in Two Variable Elimination Method. In Chapter 3.3, we have discussed substitution method. I hope all of you cleared it. Now we will discuss elimination method. Elimination method, this one easy method. In this method, first we have to eliminate one variable, then after that we have to find the remaining variable value. And that one value, if we substitute in one equation, then we get the other variable value. This is the method, elimination method. Now, how to do? Suppose this one example. In this example, this one statement example, this statement example already given these two equation, and these two equation how to solve, find the value of x with the help of elimination method. To use this one elimination method, first we have to make their coefficient will be same, one variable coefficient, either x or y. Here 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000 and 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. If we want to eliminate y variable, then we have to make y coefficient will be same in both the equation. Now 4 and 3 LCM will be how much? 12. Now to make this one 12, we have to multiply it by 3, and to make this one 12, we have to multiply it by 4. That's why this equation number 1, we have to multiply it by 3, then 3 9s are 27x, and 3 4s are minus 12y, and 3 2s are 2000 is equal to 6000. Again, we multiply this one equation by 4, then 7 4s are 28x, and 4 3s are 12y is equal to 8000. Now their sign are same sign. That's why we have to subtract. Because if we subtract, then this one sign, negative sign will be positive, and one negative, one positive, that one we can cancel easily. That's why if we same sign are there, then we have to subtract, and if it is opposite sign are there, then we have to add. This one you have to remember. Now if we subtract, then what happened? 27x minus 28x, because this one minus, this one plus, and here minus 12 plus 12 will be cancelled. Here 6000 minus 8000. Now 28 minus 7x means x, and 2 minus this one, 28 minus 7x, 12 minus 12, and 8000 minus 6000, that means x is equal to 2000. Now we get the value of x. Now we put the value of x in any one equation. Suppose if we put this one value in equation number what? Equation number 2. Then what happened? If here we will get x is equal to how much? X is equal to 2000. If we put equation number 1, then 9 into 2000. In place of x, if we put x is equal to what? X is equal to 2000. Then 9 into 2000 minus 4y equal to 2000. Now 9 to the 18,000 minus 4y. This one we will do like this way. Here this one what? This one 18,000 minus 4y equal to 2000. This means what? Minus 4y is equal to 2000 minus 18,000. That means this one will be how much? Minus 16,000 and minus 4y. This implies y equal to minus 16,000 divided by minus 4. Minus minus cancel, and if we cancel, then we will get how much? This one 4000. This way we find the value of y. and this method is known as elimination method. First we eliminate one variable, here we eliminate y variable, and after that we get a variable value, and that one value is substitute in one equation, then we get the other value. This way we can solve and we find the value of x and y, and this method is known as elimination method. Now we will start exercise 3.4. Here exercise 3.4. Here given, solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method and the substitution method. Why given elimination and substitution method? First we have to eliminate one variable, after that, and this way we get a variable value, and that variable value we have to put in another equation and we get the other's variable value. That means we substitute that one value in other equation. Now we will take exercise 3.4, question number 1. Here equations are given: x plus y equal to 5 and twice x minus 3y is equal to 4. We have to solve this one sum by elimination method. Here given two equation, one is x plus y equal to 5, another is twice x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now first we have to make the coefficient of the value of the variable. Now here this one x coefficient, if we want to eliminate x, then this one x coefficient is 2, this one x coefficient is 1. To make it 2, we have to multiply by 2 equation number 1. That's why this equation number 1, if we multiply it by 2, then what happen? We'll get twice x plus 2y is equal to 10. Then this one equation number we will take as 3. Then equation number 2 is what? 2x minus 3y equal to 4, and equation number 3 we will get from equation number 1. When we multiply equation number 1 by 2, then twice x plus twice y equal to 10. Why? Because 2 into x twice x, 2 into y twice y, 2 into 5 10. Now if we subtract 2 minus 3, if we subtract 2 minus 3, then this one will be minus, this one will be minus, this one will be minus. Then this twice x will be cancelled, and minus 3y and minus 2y is equal to minus 5y is equal to minus 10 and plus 4. That means minus 10 plus 4 means minus 6. Therefore y equal to what? Minus 6 by minus 5. Here minus minus cancel. This implies y equal to how much? 6 by 5. We get the value of y. Now if we substitute this one value of y in equation number 1, that means substituting y equal to 6 by 5 in equation number 1, then we will get x plus y means 6 by 5 is equal to 5. Now if we simplify, then we take LCM. No need to take LCM. From here x is equal to how much? 5 minus 6 by 5. Now if we take LCM 5, then this one will be what? 5 5s are 25 minus 6. That means 25 minus 6 means 19 by 5. Therefore x is equal to how much? 19 by 5. This way we get the value of x and y. Therefore x is equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. This is our answer.